Hi, I'm Naomi with the Naomi Butler Show. On one of my videos, I showed you this oatmeal with apple and walnuts, and I've learned something because I have to work on high cholesterol. So I was studying up on Brazil nuts. I'm reading a book called How Not to Die, and it talked about Brazil nuts can lower your cholesterol. So I had some Brazil nuts that I put in the food processor and got them all crunched up. And so what I'm doing is in my oatmeal mixture, and I've got my apples ready to go in. At some point, I'm just going to add a heaping teaspoon to it because apparently if you eat too much, it's not good for you. And hold on, I'll be right back. It's always good to be prepared when you do a video. So, oh well. It has monounsaturated fats to help improve your cholesterol levels. And 4 nuts can improve those cholesterol levels for up to 30 days. So if I put a heaping teaspoon in this, and this makes 2 meals, then I'm not eating too much. You don't want to eat more than, I think, 3 Brazil nuts per day. It's too much selenium. But anyway, it really helps to put the dietary fiber in your diet to reduce all kinds of stuff. And when you reduce cholesterol, that reduces risk of heart disease and stroke. And all of these things really matter. So I'm having to really work on reducing my cholesterol, and I'm eating some things that do that within this one meal, which is oatmeal, apples. I'm going to dump them in here now. They're ready to go. And the Brazil nuts. So I've got a few things going for me to help with this full meal deal that I'm eating today. I also have some egg whites that are ready to go, and I just kind of fold them over on the plate here. And then what I'll do is I'll put this mixture, it has oats, it has purified Berkey filtered water, I have almond milk, I have cinnamon, I have vanilla, and I have the Brazil nuts, along with those apples that I put cinnamon and coconut oil in to really cook those together. And then once I plate it, I'm going to turn everything off. Once I plate this in the bowl, I like to have more liquid, so I'm taking the liquidy here, and when I put it in the refrigerator for the next day, I'll add more milk and water to it. And then I'm going to add the crushed up walnuts on top of it, which is another good source to help reduce cholesterol. So I've got a few things good going for me. The turkey bacon may not be the best, but it's okay. I've got some honey wheat bread with plant butter. And so I've got a full meal deal here, if you can see it. And the main thing today, though, was about the Brazil nuts reducing your cholesterol. So I just wanted to share that with you. I have found a way to also help with my cholesterol, and I'll be having some labs again probably in October. And we'll see where my cholesterol levels are after doing this for a while, because this is my main go-to meal for most days. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that helps. Just know to reduce your cholesterol, just add